Let me show you how to create a winged eyeliner. So I'm using the KatVonD tattoo eyeliner in the shade Trooper Black. So it looks like this, like a pen. It's really easy to apply. I mean, you don't have to really go with this brand because it's too expensive, so you can opt for another cheaper one, but with the pen kind of a tip. So the first thing you do is, you see this lower waterline of your eye, just put a line along that waterline and towards this end of your eyebrow. So now that your line is done, now make it thicker at the end like this. So difficult to talk and do. Okay, and then join the tip and then ensure that you're applying very close to your eyelashes, because even if you have like a single space left over, it looks very bad and incomplete. So it all depends on how thick you want your eyeliner. So since I have hooded eyes, I like it to be a little thin, otherwise it touches the top part. So I have my crease here, so I'll ensure that I don't go beyond that. The more thinner I apply the eyeliner, my eyes look bigger. Sometimes I just don't go towards the end of my inner corner, and then I take it in towards the inside of my eye so that it looks like it's blended inside. I don't apply eyeliner below or even kajal below because I have lens, so then it gets messy. So that's it. This is the winged eyeliner. Let me finish this eye. Hopefully it comes the same, because it never does. Like I said, it never does. So this is how it's come out. This has come a little bit thicker, and this has come like a proper winged eyeliner. So sometimes I go for this look also, and when I don't want it too pointy at the end, and then I go for this. If I want it a bit pointy, then I go for this look. So this is how you apply a winged eyeliner. Hey! So today I'm going to teach you how to apply a winged eyeliner. So I'm going to teach you how to apply an eyeliner today. Are you ready? Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Aha!